Shiba Inu is dumping, this might be the optimal time for you to load up on Shiba Inu to become a Shiba Inu millionaire. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Shiba Inu as some exciting things are in the mix. Lots of news directly from the team. Is Shiba Inu going to break past some newer and newer all-time highs in June? That's what we're looking at in today's video. First, the video I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below as it helps out the channel tremendously. Overall crypto market looking red. Honestly, we're down 1% on the day. Almost all major coins down 5 to 10%, which is interesting to say the least. Fear and greed index currently at a 55, neutral, which is slowly creeping back towards the greed side of things. Now, or so I want to say fear side of things. Now, we made a video earlier today talking about the downfall of crypto. Everything's crashing, sell your crypto now. Check out that video. There's a lot of like gems that I put in the video talking about some seller psychology. And no, don't sell all your crypto now. It was just a sexy title. All right, so looking at the meme coins, guys. Shiba Inu is still holding its place at number 1. Close one behind is Pepe, currently at 5 billion, but Shiba Inu having more than double in market cap at $11.9 billion and getting very close to Dogecoin, guys. And I really think this time around Shiba Inu will flip Dogecoin in terms of market cap, making the #1 meme coin and a top 10 cryptocurrency globally, which is absolutely insane to say the least. We see on the day we're down about 1%, on the week we're down a whopping 14%, and on the month we're down 11%. We go on the 1 year, guys, we're still up a whopping 200%. You know, when in doubt, zoom out. There's so much gains that were made, especially if you bought before this bull market really started. There's still so much gains that were made. We go to the all-time, guys, and again, we still haven't broken its previous all-time highs just yet that we're really anticipating to see during this bull run. Now, we talked about the market cap, we talked about the volume. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the news for Shiba Inu. So we're starting things off on the Twitter, guys. 3.8 million followers, and we can see they posted this just yesterday. Good morning, Shiba Inu. How Shib Army, will you see how will you use your Shib to innovate, inspire, and influence the world today? As now there's so much utility tokens and so much way to use Shiba Inu in the real world. Talking about a meme coin, guys, let's pause from Shiba Inu for a second and come over to Dogeverse, a new play to earn pre-sale gem that's going absolutely crazy. They've already raised $4.3 million in market cap, and in 1 day and 13 hours they're going to have a price hike. So they're going to raise the price. If you want to get the lowest price, buy in now. What is this token? It's a play to earn Doge game. Play Doge is the ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the iconic Doge meme to life as a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure your play tokens in the pre-sale to earn crypto while playing a nostalgic 2D adventure game. So if you like play to earn, this is a project for you. If you like pre-sale gems, this is also a project for you, because this is giving me lots of Dogeverse vibes. And again, a lot of us made a solid bag on Dogeverse, so you may want to load up. Feature on a ton of different articles. They have a strong about tab. They have a strong roadmap as well, having community focus at the top of things. Great tokenomics as well. 50% to free pre-sale, 10% to marketing, 10%, 11.5% to liquidity, 10% to project funds, 12% to staking, and 6.5% to community rewards. Talking about staking, currently paying out 186% AP, so you're not going to want to miss out on this gem. Load up, link in description below. Again, not financial advice. Back to Shiba Inu, guys. There's still a ton of more news that we're going to cover. So Wolf Dex tool now supports Shib Swap, unlock advanced DeFi analytics for the Shib Army. Gold standard achieved at Bad Idea AI. Excited to see at the booth of the FutureCon Shib Army. If you're going to pop along, come say hi to the Bad team, which is pretty awesome how they're going to be at Canada's largest Web3 event, August 13th to 14th. And guys, if you're in Canada, you're in Toronto, I might actually be at the event too. So if you want to come on by and we could do a little hangout session and talk about our favorite meme coins. Now, craving the latest Shib Army news, Shibarium news, Shib Army, ShibNet has got you covered. Give them a follow to get the latest updates, and the Shib network is just constantly putting out updates, right? Same time, Shibarium sync in nodes, scratch 1 to 2 days. But now with the snapshot downloaded, it just takes 1 to 2 hours. Download yours now, and you can see all the snapshots here, which is pretty awesome. Now let's go to the technical side of things, looking at the technical analysis, and we're seeing, yeah, we're in sell again. There's a lot of selling going on. Oscillators are neutral, moving averages are in strong sell, indicating us a summary of sell. Now we go to 1 week, we're seeing again still kind of in the red. A summary is neutral, moving averages are neutral, but the oscillators are still in sell. Now when it comes to the news side of things, which is so important for crypto, guys, the more people talk about it, the bigger it's going to be. And some exciting things ahead, right? Shiba Inu holders can now pay delivery fees with Shiba tokens, right? Shiba Inu, the crypto industry's second largest meme coin, can now be used to complete payments for Web3 food delivery service. The food order placed through the Dover Go. According to Dover, which was announced a successful transaction on its X handle. So again, it's a food delivery payment history transaction. It's massive, right? So now you can do your food delivery with Shiba, adding more real world utility, making it more and more accessible. and again, more transactions, right? Shiba Inu Insider shares critical reminders with Shib community. To a recent tweet, Shib Inu team Lucy issued an important reminder to the Shib community the much anticipated treat token has not yet been launched. Lucy tweeted a screenshot of the Shib Eternal gameplay, teasing that Shiba Inu community has been asking any Shiboshis around, actively seeking treats for Shib. What's your fighter for treat? So it looks like the token is just being slightly delayed, and there's an update on that, which again, we just love the news. Shiba Inu skyrockets 863% in major indicators. So we can see in the past 24 hours, the token burn rate has surged an astounding 863%, with a total of 107 million Shib tokens burns. This brings the total burn amount over last week to 368 million. So again, a lot of burns going on, a lot of news taking place, and overall the crypto market is about to have a massive flip. We're anticipating with all these announcements and all these major news that Shiba Inu is going to see some brighter days ahead. So guys, that wraps up the Shiba Inu video. If you enjoyed content like this, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button down below. Like always, not financial advice. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.